What's up, my ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninja bringing value to you today on the last day of November 2021. At this point in time, it is 11:24 a.m. at the time of this recording, and that's Eastern Standard Time. And at this point in time, this video was posted 2 hours ago. All right. This video is about a lead for a remote data scientist at Getty Images. So you'll be a data scientist at Getty Images. You can work from any country in the world. It is full-time. All right. And before I jump into this video, this is about making money online. This channel is not financial advice. It's meant to be informative, educational, and you can take these facts, this information with a grain of salt and make your own decisions. This is in no way any financial advice. This is in no way telling you what you should do with your money or anything like that. It's just sharing information about what is out there and what is possible and how you can use these ways to make money online. All right. Full disclosure. All right. I am also an affiliate. So if you check the links in the description below, there are programs and apps and features and stuff like that that can help you in your different endeavors. Some are free, some are paid. The paid ones do have, or they do allow me to have a kickback at no additional cost to you. So if you were interested in a product that costs $10 and I get 30% back, I would get $3 from the purchase. You still pay your $10. The price was not raised or anything. That is the price of the product. It's just that I was the one who promoted it and the company decided to give me a percentage of the commission, or give me a commission, which is a percentage of the cost. All right. So just so you know. Now, Getty Images. If you press this link, it will take you to their website. But Getty Images has been, they've been around for quite a while and they have become one of the big boys in the image space. Now, I did say that the lead was international and you can work from anywhere in the world. They actually want people for this particular position to be based in the United States or Canada. And you'll find that a lot of these companies that are bigger, and if they are US based, they tend to want people from the US and Canada. Typically for human resource reasons, labor laws, stuff like that, benefits, the type of benefits that they offer are usually catered to people living in the US and surrounding areas. Now, they're issuing a warning. They're saying several false job solicitations are circulating via email and social media, purporting to be official Getty Images communications. While our staff may initially contact you via social media, if your experience is relevant to a posted role, we will never issue job offers or request personal financial information via social media. Further, all outreach will include the Getty Images employee email and phone contact. As a reminder, all career opportunities can be found here. All right. So I've said this in previous videos, because more people are working from home, there are more fraudulent people trying to get your information. This is the information age, and it's not so much, okay, people still steal cars, people still steal money, wallets, stuff like that. But people are now stealing information. All right. So be mindful, be vigilant, don't be stupid. Use common sense. If somebody asks you for your credit card number so that you can get a job, then clearly that's a scam. All right. Okay. Moving on. Getty Images does not require employees to be vaccinated against COVID-19, but vaccination or testing may be mandated by the relevant local laws with which Getty Images will comply. If this position involves contact with third parties, attendance on site for events, travel and or working or offices, those actions will be subject to relevant local laws, venue or customer requirements or travel requirements regarding vaccines or testing, and exemptions thereto. Now, Getty Images does not require employees to be vaccinated against COVID-19, but vaccination or testing has been mandated by the Biden administration, and that mandate applies to our U.S. workforce. If this position involves contact with third parties, attendance on site for events, travel, and/or work in our offices, those actions will be subject to relevant local laws, venue or customer requirements, or travel requirements regarding vaccines or testing, and exemptions thereto. Now, a bit about Getty Images. For over 25 years, Getty Images has embraced disruption and change, riding the digital wave to evolve from a fragmented analog stock photo business into a multi-billion-dollar global e-commerce industry leader and a trusted brand. The breadth and quality of our content has always allowed our customers and partners to tell their stories with greater creativity and accuracy, eliciting more emotion and enabling more action. Now, help us move the world with images. Getty Images is the most trusted and esteemed source of visual content in the world, available through its industry-leading sites, www.gettyimages.com and www.istock.com. Many people have seen them. Many people have probably copied and pasted images that they didn't realize that the watermark was on there, and all you'll see is iStock photo. Anyways, the Getty Images website serves creative, business, and media customers in almost 200 countries, and is the first place people turn to discover, purchase, and share powerful content from the world's best photographers and videographers. Getty Images works with over 360,000 contributors and image partners to provide comprehensive coverage of more than 160,000 news, sport, and entertainment events. Impactful creative imagery to communicate any commercial concept, and the world's deepest digital archive of historic photography. With over 440 million assets, of which over 320 million are digitized, encompassing the latest global news, sports, celebrity, music, and fashion coverage, exclusive conceptual creative images, and the world's largest commercial archive. New content is added daily, with 8 to 10 million new assets added each quarter. Getty Images offers the most exclusive and unique creative and editorial visual content globally. Now, the rest of this is talking about how much imagery and how big they are and how much their work affects companies and people at large. Now, again, if I didn't say it before, they're looking for someone located in the US or Canada for this particular role. All right, cool. So here's something to note. Because of the pandemic, they will want someone to initially work from home until such a time when we return to our office. So if you're someone who does not want to ever work in an office again, this role is possibly not for you, because they will be having you work remotely until offices open again. Now, this is the kind of person they want, aka your qualifications. Getty Images is looking for individuals that enjoy applying new and traditional machine learning methods to bring forward outstanding insights to our customers. This role is an outstanding opportunity to help craft how we measure, perceive, and share imagery needs across the globe. In this role, you help develop machine learning pipelines to measure content consumption trends. Your work will help users to understand their growing and evolving needs for imagery. You will support the entire product development lifecycle, from product conceptualization to opportunity sizing, from measurement design to experimentation, from casual analysis to post-launch learning, and iteration into the next development cycle. This role will sit at the intersection of content, engineering, marketing, product, and leadership to advise and influence on key decisions. We value learning and development, and you will be given every opportunity to work on projects that excite you. In addition to possessing a strong technical background, you are comfortable explaining sophisticated analytical and statistical methods to both business and engineering teams, and can provide concrete recommendations on how to deploy your work into production. You will have end-to-end autonomy and ownership of your projects and partner cross-functionally with other business units to uncover new opportunities for business growth. So your next challenge is as follows. You will join a growing team of highly collaborative and curious data scientists and data engineers. As a reminder of the team, you will play a key role in driving and improving Getty Images' editorial and content-based pivotal initiatives, working closely with creative specialists and product leads to help drive increased customer experience. Your primary responsibility will be to help understand how customers connect with Getty Images' collection of 300 plus million assets. You will apply that understanding to build both internal and external data products. You will communicate discoveries across the team, business partners, and leadership. You will collaborate with engineers to craft reliable data pipelines. You will write code and work with all of Getty Images' technology stack to build and maintain a production-level data ecosystem. So what you'll need: a curiosity about how imagery is used in different regions around the world and are excited to help Getty Images deepen and broaden its understanding of content trends. Validated experience of having worked hands-on as a data scientist, preferably in a content or people-focused organization. Proficiency in machine learning, statistical modeling and/or data mining, and understanding of the real-world advantages and drawbacks of various machine learning techniques. A PhD or MS in computer science, statistics, economics or finance, sociology, natural sciences, or any other equivalent quantitative project is helpful. If you are self-taught or have meaningful work experience, we would love to hear from you as well. So all my people who think that you definitely need a degree to get some high-level work, no. All right? Not true. Not in this case. And in many other cases as well. Proven understanding of Python preferred or R, along with experience working within the AWS ecosystem and standard tools such as Git, Bash, and SQL. Knowledge of Spark, NLP, time series analysis, and outlier detection is a plus. Excellent communication skills, both written and orally, and a proven track record to comfortably produce written reports and present findings to partners. So you should be able to put together a report and be able to present it fluently. When I say fluently, I mean whatever medium you use gets the point across. Your wording is at the level of the people you're presenting to. You can communicate effectively in English, since this is a US-Canada position. And I mean, you'll be working with different teams, so you need to adjust yourself to suit the need or the needs of the teams that you're working with. Okay? Ability to independently carry through a project from conceptualization to delivery. You can proactively interact with other engineers at Getty Images to access vital resources. Mental and physical demands. Frequent communication with others to exchange information. Frequent sedentary work that primarily involves sitting, standing, and the time of each will vary. So you'll be doing a lot of low energy stuff. Probably just typing. You'll be probably sitting a lot. You'll probably get up once in a while, but you're not necessarily out walking 3-4 miles a day and stuff like that. So if you're someone who would prefer things on the slower side, fine. If you're more high energy and stuff, maybe not for you. Definitely not for you. Constant operation of computer and frequent usage of other office machinery, including but not limited to a calculator, copy machine, computer printer, etc. Frequent repetition of motions and gestures that may include the wrists, hands, and or fingers, and that is absolutely required. All right. So due to the current conditions and impact of COVID-19, this key position will initially work from home until such a time we open our offices. At the time of the local office opening, employees and managers will partner to determine the worksite location in line with our flexible working policy. And some benefits you will receive when you work at Getty Images health insurance. We provide medical, vision, and dental insurance for you and your family. You and your family. We partner with Meritain, an Aetna company, and CVS Caremark to provide you with two options for medical coverage: a POS plan and an HSA qualified health savings account plan. The POS plan comes with a $200 per year Getty Images contribution to an FSA account. If you enroll in the HSA plan, Getty Images will give you $1,400 to $2,400 per year to spend on any qualified health expenses. Dental insurance is available through Delta Dental. Vision insurance is available through VSP. All full-time employees working at least 25 hours per week will become eligible for health benefits the first of the month following their date of hire. Contributions to healthcare accounts are prorated based on the date of hire. For more information on these benefits, you may request an electronic copy of our benefits guide. Next, time off work or life balance is important to us. We provide flexible time off and 10 sick days each calendar year. Additionally, we pay 4 weeks of fully paid parental leave for new parents, with primary caregivers eligible for an additional 8 weeks of fully paid leave. Company paid holidays. Employees enjoy company paid holidays for each of our global locations. Disability and life insurance. We automatically enroll and pay for basic life and accidental death and dismemberment insurance, AD&D, up to 2 times your annual salary. We also provide you with fully paid short-term disability and long-term disability insurance. Employee assistance program. Employees have access to free confidential assistance for everyday problems such as stress management, financial coaching, marital or family issues, substance abuse, occupational problems, and referrals for legal, childcare, and elder care services. Employees can seek additional discounts on other wellness activities such as travel, gym memberships, and sports. Through our EAP services, employees are also eligible for 3 free counseling visits and live coaching sessions. 401k, start saving for retirement. Getty Images matches up to 4% of your deferred compensation with immediate vesting. That means all of Getty Images' employer match money is automatically yours with no waiting period. That is awesome. That is so awesome. Learning and growth. We value continuous learning and development to help everyone develop their skills. Enjoy mentorship, curated training, and more. And easy peasy, push this button to apply. It will ask you for some information like your resume, a cover letter, and stuff like that, name, all that jazz. And if you struggle with putting together a banging resume or cover letter, check the link in the description below. It's probably the 3rd link or so to a free website called Canva where you can use templates. Just fill in the blanks. Name, Bond, James Bond. You just type in James Bond. Job, international man of mystery. I don't know. But you just fill in the blanks. You find one where the style is in keeping with you and the position you're shooting for. And you just fill in the blanks. That's it. You download it and then you can re-upload it to this application system. Okay? So this was a longer lead, but it is one that will be well sought after because it is a high-paying job. It is a high-paying role. All right? It is definitely a data scientist commands a very hefty sum of money for their salary. And if you are in that space, you should definitely check this out because you are gunning for a position for one of the biggest companies in this space. All right, so thanks for watching. I hope I didn't spend too much time on here, but I hope it was beneficial to you and yours. Hurry, apply. This is 2 hours in. I'm sure there's a lot of people who are, even if they're still working the 9 to 5 in the office, they are eyeing remote positions now because of all that's been happening. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.